Hello, I am Sunita. Welcome to my class. Here I am going to discuss Karnataka TET Science most expected questions. This is my fourth class. These question answers are very important. They may ask in next TET exam. Therefore, listen the video carefully and understand the concept. A boy has a thick paste of turmeric and adding this paste to hydrochloric acid and aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide separately, what color would he observe? Option 1, yellow in both the cases. Option 2, yellow in hydrochloric acid and red in sodium hydroxide. Third one, pink in hydrochloric acid and blue in sodium hydroxide. Fourth one, blue in hydrochloric acid and red in sodium hydroxide. Let us discuss here. When you add turmeric paste to an acid, you can see no change in the color of the acid. The color of the acid, it will not change the turmeric. It will be remain in the yellow in color. From this you can conclude turmeric, it will not react with acid. It will be unreactive with acid. In the same turmeric paste, if you add to the base, then you can see the change in color of the sodium hydroxide. It will change to red in color. Both base and turmeric paste, both they will react with each other. Then you will get a red color. This it will indicate the neutralization reaction it will happen. Therefore, correct answer for this question is, if you add turmeric paste to hydrochloric acid, there is no change in color. If you add turmeric paste to sodium hydroxide, you can observe a red color. This it will indicate a neutralization reaction. Let us discuss first question. Study the following statement with reference to the villi of small intestine. Here they are given four statements. In the fourth statement, how the villi, how it help to absorb the nutrients from the food. Let us discuss here. What is meant by villi? What is the function of villi? The structure of small intestine is digested for the absorption of nutrients. Here the structure of small intestine, it made like that it has to absorb the food from the nutrients. Then the inside of small intestine is lined with a villi that absorb nutrients from the liquid mixture called chyme produced in the stomach from the food we will eat. Whatever the food we will eat, it will reach the small intestine. Then this villi, it will absorb the nutrients from the food. Okay, let us see the statements one by one. They are finger-like outgrowth and thousands in number. They are having finger-like outgrowth and you can see the 1,000 numbers of there. Therefore, this statement is correct. They have a very thin walls. Yes, they have their very thin walls. They have a network of thin and small blood vessels close to the surface. You can observe here they are having a network like structure, and that network is very thin and you can see the blood vessels close to the surface. Therefore, this statement also correct. Then fourth one, they have small pores through which the food can easily pass. No, this is wrong. They don't have any pores. Can you see the pores here? No, they don't have any pores through which the food can easily pass. Therefore, correct option for this one is option A, B, C. All the three are correct. Fourth one is the wrong one. Let us see next question. Given below are some food items. Option A, boiled and mashed potato. Option B, boiled and chewed rice. Option C, a slice of bread. Option D, sugar solution. Option E, coconut oil. Which of the above will give you blue or black color when tested with iodine solution? Okay, listen here. A chemical test for starch is to add iodine solution. Iodine solution, it will be yellow or brown color. Look for a color change. In the presence of starch, iodine turns to blue or black color. Consider this example. Consider peeled potato. If you add iodine solution to this potato, then this iodine color, normally I told yellow or brown, this color, if it is turned to blue or black, it will indicate the presence of a starch. Let us see here, discuss one by one. Boiled and mashed potato. Yes, it contain a starch. Next one, boiled and chewed rice. No, it will not contain a Starch, even boiled rice, it contains a starch, but chewed rice, if when you are chewing, it will mixed with saliva, then it will vanish the presence of a starch. Therefore, second option is wrong. A slice of bread, yes, a slice of bread contains starch. Then sugar solution, coconut oil, they will not contain starch. Therefore, correct answer for this question is option A and C are correct answer. Now onwards, these questions are based on site pedagogy. Let us discuss the questions while teaching the correct method of using a spring balance. To class 8th students, Gunjan mentioned the following steps not in the correct sequence to be followed. Here they are given 4 statements. To use the spring balance, they are given in the wrong sequence. You have to arrange in the proper order. That one they are asking the question. Let us see the option here. Option A, note the zero error. Yes, in the case of a spring balance, first you have to note the zero error. Therefore, first is in the first only, that is the correct position. Then after recording zero error, next you have to record the least count of the spring balance. What is the least count of the spring balance? You have to record. That is the second step. Then third one is note the position of the pointer and the graduated scale. When you put something weight on the spring balance, then you can see increased in the position of the pointer. Then that position of the pointer you have to record the reading. Then final step, calculate the actual reading. Then comparing zero error, then least count, then position of the pointer on the graduated scale. Later the fourth step, you can calculate the actual reading. Therefore, correct answer for this question is option 3 is the correct one. The order are A, D, C, B. Next question. Which of the following is not a desired objective of learning of science at the upper primary stage? Here they are given fourth option. In that one, which one is not a very important objective when you are learning the science? Let us discuss the options one by one. First one, to acquire scientific literacy. Yes, if you want to study a science, otherwise when you are studying science as a subject, then it will create a scientific awareness, and also if you see the anything, then your scientific knowledge is very important. Therefore, first one is very important, learning objectives of science. Then second one, to develop rational thinking. Yes, rational thinking also very important. When you are doing the experiment, after done the experiment, you will come to know whether that one is true or not, then you have to follow that one or not. Therefore, rational thinking also very important objective of science. Then third one, to acquire essential process skill. What I discussed in the last question, when you are using the spring balance, then how to use the skill is very important. This is also one of the important objective of learning of science. Then fourth one, to perform better in competitive examination. This is not the correct one, this is the wrong one, because the science objectives are, it will create a awareness of science, the rational thinking, then skill, everything. Then you have to understand the concept, then you have to relate science with the daily life. You have to read science as the most essential for our daily life, but it will not depends upon the marks, otherwise whether you have to come to first rank, second rank, otherwise it is not based on the competitive examination. Therefore, fourth one is the wrong objective of learning of science. Other than this one, remaining three are very important. Next question. The technique of role play is considered to be an effective strategy in teaching of science, because what is meant by role play is nothing but you have to give one particular topic to one students, and that students depends upon the topic, he has to perform some drama or some activities. Then that students, he has to read that topic in detail, then he has to give a presentation or activity or drama, depends upon that topic. Therefore, role play of Role play is very important when teaching of science is considered. First option, let us see. It ensures better understanding of one's role in real life. Yes, science is important to teach a real life. It is depends upon the real life activity, but here they are asking which one is the most effective strategy they are asking. Therefore first one is not at all very important. The next one, it ensures active participation of students in the process of learning. Yes, this is the right answer, because it ensures active participation of students in the process of learning, because the students itself, he is creating a particular topic, and it depends upon that topic, he will create some drama, some activities. Active participation, it will be more. If someone is teaching and if you learn, that is the different one. But you are sitting, then you are making some topic, then you are searching information about that topic, then you are creating something better than that topic, then depends upon that topic, then your active participation will be more. Therefore this is the correct answer. It is likely to promote social skills of students. Yes, social skill will be even more is there, but this is not so much important. It ensures breaking of monotony in the process of learning. Yes, it will break the monotony, but here you have to understand the concept. When they are given like this question, they are asking very effective strategy in the teaching of science. All the four, it will be looking like a same answer, otherwise correct answer, because here they are asking the which one is the most effective strategy. Then option 2 is the correct answer, because it ensures the active participation of students in the process of learning. Next question, science is considered to be questioning, exploring, doing and investing. Which of the following activities carried out by Deepika in teaching of science is best suited to justify this criteria? First option, unit test on microorganism. This is not the proper one, because in the unit test they will ask same questions, and students already they know the answer, they will write the same answer. There is no questioning, exploring, doing, investing, nothing is there. Therefore this is not important. Then second one, a group discussion on common disease. What will happen in the group discussion? Those students, they know the answer, they will discuss, then they will give the answer. Those who are weak students, they don't know the answer, they will not effectively participate in group discussion. Therefore this is also wrong. Third one, a debate on environment issues. In the debate, normally we will consider two teams. Here also there will be in group involvement, it will be there. There is no individual involvement is there. Therefore this is also not suitable. Then fourth one, project work on nature of sound. Here this is the correct one, because when you are doing the project work, each teacher, she will give each, and he or she they will give one particular topic to a particular students, that is a nature of sound. Then that students, he has to do a project work. When he is doing the project work, he has to questioning himself, then he has to exploring, then he has to do the experiment, and he has to conclude, and he has to investigate. Therefore all the 4 points it will involve in this project work. Therefore this is the correct answer. Question number 85. This is very important question. The National Curriculum Framework, NCF. This may ask what is the full form of NCF. NCF is nothing but National Curriculum Framework 2005 recommends that teaching of science at upper primary stage should be emphasized maximum on. Emphasize means importance, maximize on. First option, relating classroom learning to the life outside the school. This is the correct answer, because Whatever you will learn in the classroom, you have to relate it to outside the school, otherwise outside the life, our real life we have to implement. Because whatever concept is there in the textbook, it will be related to our daily life. Why it will happen? When you see the nature changes in the nature, then how cloud will form, how rain will come, how lightning it will happen, then solar system, everything it will depends upon the science. Then whatever the topics we will learn in the science, we have to correlate, we have to relate with our daily life activities. Therefore first one is the correct answer. Let us discuss remaining option. Second one, memorizing all scientific items given in textbook. No, this is the waste. Memorizing is not useful. Then answering all the questions given in that exercise. Answering the question, this only mug up, this also not so much important. Improving student performance in the exam. If you read only exam oriented education, then you are not able to create, otherwise you are not able to acquire a proper knowledge. We have to study science because you have to improve the knowledge, whatever the activities going on our daily life, otherwise in the nature, why it will happen, what is the involvement of the science, everything you have to learn. Therefore first option is the correct answer for this question. Next one, Geeta is preparing a lesson plan for teaching the topic on human eye to class 8th students. Include of which of the following activities in the lesson plan is likely to be most effective in helping the students understand relative concept better. When Geeta is preparing the lesson plan, the topic is human eye. How effectively the students they can understand the plan, that lesson plan, it should be like that, it has to give a clear picture on human eye. Then which is the proper one, they are asking the question. First option, preparing a good home assignment. This is not the proper one, this is not the correct one, because home assignment normally we will give question answers, then they will search from the textbook, then they will write the answer from the textbook. This is not the good one. Then dictating notes to the students in the classroom, dictating the notes is also not an sufficient method. Then third one, using student activities and interactive classroom questioning. Yes, this is the correct one, because when you are teaching human eye, first the students he has to understand the structure of human eye, then you can show the activities. With the help of the activities you can introduce a different parts of human eye, then how human eye it will work, then you can tell the students to open the eye and close the eye, then how the eyes, how it will enlarge, it will extend, how you can create an object on the lens, everything they can feel, they can realize. Therefore student they will involve the activities. Then when they are doing the activities, even they will ask questions, then you can clear their doubts. Therefore this is the most effective method. Then demonstrating using model of human eye, because human eye is one of the body part of human beings, therefore they have to know better. Demonstrative method is not the good one, but if the students if they involved in the activities, then that is the very important, then the students they can understand very easily. Therefore third one is the correct answer. Next question, on the basis of recommendation of National Curriculum Framework NCF 2005, NCERT textbook in science greater emphasis on option A, discourage rote learning. Yes, first option is correct, it will discourage the rote learning. Second one, maintaining sharp boundaries between different domains of science curriculum. No, this it will not put a sharp boundaries, it will not put any boundaries when it is creating a curriculum, because it will involve the important topics content, because every topic is related to our daily life. Therefore whatever it will happen, you have to correlate with your with our daily life. Therefore it will not put any boundary. How much possible the concept, then content, everything it will involve in the curriculum. Therefore second one is wrong. C, providing active learning experience to students. This is very important. Yes, this is the correct one, because science it will include activities like experiment, then project work, then drama, then skills, everything. Therefore, this it will play important role when you are studying science. Last one, learning exact definition of scientific terms. Only reading the exact definition is not very important. Therefore, this one is wrong one. Therefore, correct answer for this question is option A and C is the correct one. Thanks for listening my class. Send me your valuable feedback. Follow all my classes regularly, then easily you can clear your TET exams.